coefficients when the equation is balanced. So I was working on this earlier. So first thing you have to do obviously is balance it before you can figure out the sum of the coefficients. So what I would do is I'd say, right, I've got Fe2, so I need 2 ions, so I'd put a 2 here. And then I'd say, okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygens. If I've got 4 oxygens, then I'm going to need to have a 2 here because I've got 2 carbons. 2 times 2 gives me 4. If I change that, then that changes the number of carbons. So now I've got 2 carbons. I'm going to have to put a 2 here. But if I put a 2 here, then I've just gone and altered the amount of oxygens again. So now my oxygens are unbalanced because I had 4. And now I've not got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've now actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's not going to work. So I have to go back to the drawing board again and think, okay, so now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 oxygens on this side. Obviously 5 means it's an odd number. What about if I try to make it an even number? So if I put 3 here, then that gives me 3 oxygens and 3 oxygens here. That gives me 6 oxygens. If I've got 6 oxygens this side, I need 6 oxygens this side. So I have to change this to make 6. So if I need that to be 6, it's going to have to be a 3 times 2. Okay, so now my oxygens are balanced. I've got 6 on this side and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. My carbons, when I changed this, went up to 3, but that's actually okay because I've got 3 here. And my ions I haven't actually done anything with, so I've got 2 ions here and I've got 2 ions here. So just as a quick check, 2 ions, 3 carbons, 3 carbons, 3, 4, 5, 6 oxygens, and 3 times 2 is 6 oxygens, so that's balanced. Once it's balanced, I add together the sum of the coefficients, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 is 9. Okay, we have to remember that even though the coefficient isn't written when it's 1, the coefficient is still 1. So that's a little bit sneaky, but just because we don't write it doesn't mean it's not there. So 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4, 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 gives us 9 in total.